Okay, we're out here in the woods, and we're going. We see some deer out here. We just walked out to the edge of the meadow, and there's some deer, 2 buck.
Look like white-tailed deer.
Yeah, they are white-tailed. There's 2 buck. They're gonna smell us pretty soon. There they are. That is so cool. This is Joshua and I'm Norm, guys.
Hi.
How you doing?
You doing good?
You doing good? How's your day? We're having a good day.
See you later.
See you later.
That was pretty fun.
That was fun.
Gee, now I know why they call them white-tailed deer.
Yeah, now you know.
They're really white-tailed.
Joshua is eating his first wild blackberry. We think it's a blackberry. That's what bears love. They love berries.
They taste amazing.
Just for the record, Joshua's 8.
First time I've ever tried one.
First time he's ever tried one. Here, Grandpa Norm
Hey,
is.
blueberry.
Here's Grandpa Norm without his hat. That's what I look like. This is July 17th, 2016. We're going to go down and see if my hunting tree stand is still in the tree where I left it last fall.
It's a wild blueberry.
So that's the objective of being out here. We're on state game land north of Greenville, Michigan, about 10, 11 miles
It's a blueberry.
north.
Wild blueberry. See?
Oh, yeah. Let's get a picture. You eat. Ah!
Are they good?
Well, they're not as good as the ones you buy out of the store, but they're good. So, you tell me what you think.
Wow. Not much of a taste,
Yeah, pretty bland.
but they're good.
Yeah, you could survive off them if you had to. You know. Milkweed. And Joshua wants to blow this thing to see it go away, and so we'll see what happens.
And it's not working.
You're gonna have to blow harder. There you go. There you go.
And it worked!
So now, those will go off and make new babies next year. And they'll have more now. And that's something.
Yeah, I don't want to stand on, but not so long.
I don't know if you can see this deer track here.
Me?
No, I got the camera going. There's a pretty good sized deer track, and I'll bet it's that bigger buck that we saw coming in here, Joshua. That's a pretty good sized deer. I'd say that's that buck.
Probably it really looks similar like that.
It's a pretty good sized deer from the size, and I would think it's probably that big buck we saw And my tree stand is right in here, so we're going to go this way, Joshua, so we don't have to get through all that brush.
So which way?
We're going to go in this way into the woods a little bit. Okay, what we're going to do is I'm going to see if you can find the tree stand.
Did you find it?
I saw it.
Okay.
It is there. So I don't want to give you too many hints, but I can see it from right here. Take your hood down so I can get a better picture of you. I know you bow hunters like to stay camouflaged, but it's not seasoned yet. Hey, I like your haircut. Where can I get a haircut like that?
For one, I obviously can't see it quite yet.
Well, it's very hard to see from here, but that's because I know where it is. Okay?
Can you lead me to which side it's on?
You got to work a little harder than that. It's no fun. I don't know. Take a look. Gotta get closer probably, right?
Oh, right there.
You think that's it?
Yeah, because I can see the ladder, obviously. And I can see it tied, so...
Yeah? You think that's it, huh?
Yeah, thing. All that I can tell you is I don't see the stand. Looks like somebody might have stole the stand.
Think they stole it?
Let's be sure.
Huh. Well...
Well, what, Mr. Drunk Man?
Not mine.
Probably a guy was hanging out here.
But you think this is it, huh?
Yeah, thing?
No, that's dangerous, honey. You can, those will give away, and then you'll have a bad accident. It used to be somebody's tree stand.
Wait, so this wasn't yours? Was it?
No.
It isn't?
This is somebody else's.
Huh.
So,
Oh, that's yours.
where? Where?
Is that?
Well, no, what are you pointing at?
Well, I can see that it's metal, like you told me. And there are bars.
You
and I
can?
can see the stand.
I'll be a son of a gun. It's still there. Huh. Well, now that's interesting. Thank you, Lord. Somebody didn't steal it. It's been up there since
I'm not going to go very high. I'm not going very high.
Ho. We got to examine things here first. Okay, Mom, Dad, I'm going to let him climb up a little bit, slowly. Now, there's a secret to climbing these. Hold it. I want you to listen. You never, ever move your feet until you got at least one hand securely above you onto something, so that if your feet slip, at least you're holding on with your hand. Okay? So you take one step at a time, just one, not two, and make sure your grip is always secure before you move your feet higher. Am I making sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Why does it need to go around?
Well, because I wanted it that way. And that's where you'll have an accident, usually, when you move. And see, that's not made for little guys, it's made for a tall guy like me, so I spaced it like that. But I'm not going to let you go any higher, because that's where you might have an accident, Joshua. But that's the tree stand up there.
Are you going to do up there?
No, because of my back. I'm healing, and I can destroy what the surgeon did. I can in a few months, but I can't now. I can, but I'm not going to. I don't want to risk tearing apart my back surgery.
Can I climb up that ladder?
No, I mean, that's old. It's been there for years, and it would be easy for one of those ladder rungs to break on you.